Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and as always I'm here in the workshop and in the warehouse taking a look around all the shelves to see what's available for your bike this week. So let's take a look and see what I found. First up, part number 13, 20, 32, the wire pack of 19 colours, all 2 meters in length of each colour, £41 and 94 pence including VAT. Next up in this very busy warehouse at the moment, 066982, the Tri-Spark ignition kit fitting the Atlas Commando and the Triumph Twins, £262 and 7 pence. Next up, 062348, the spark plug from Champion, the N7YC fitting, is £3 and 32 pence including VAT. Next up, a pair of Mile Premier carbs, the 30mm for the 750 Commando with the 220 jetpack, £479 and 40 pence including VAT. And finally this week, the handlebar clamp in silver is 067727 and that is £17 and 45 pence including VAT. And don't forget as well, of course, if there's anything I haven't mentioned this week, you can still set yourself up with an email reminder through the Andover Norton website. It's super easy, and there's a link to a video in the section below that'll take you through the whole process of setting that up. And anything I have mentioned, of course, is also linked in the section below. Just click on that link, it'll take you to the website, and you can buy it straight from there. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching this week, and until next time, safe riding.